Owning a BMW can feel like a dream, but maintaining one can quickly turn into a financial surprise. Not all BMWs cost the same to own, and some models are far more expensive to maintain than others. From high-performance sedans like the BMW M5 to luxury flagships like the BMW 7 Series, repair and service costs can skyrocket due to complex engines and advanced technology. In this video, we'll rank BMW models by maintenance cost and reveal the ones that might seriously shock your wallet. Today, we will talk about BMW maintenance costs ranked, the shockingly expensive ones. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Luxury comes with a price. Owning a BMW is often associated with luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology, but behind that premium experience lies a reality many buyers underestimate: maintenance costs. On average, BMW owners spend around $900 to $1,000 per year on repairs and maintenance, which is higher than most mainstream brands. However, not all BMW models cost the same to maintain. Smaller, simpler vehicles tend to be more affordable, while high-performance and flagship models can become extremely expensive over time. The difference often comes down to engine complexity, technology, and vehicle size. 2. Low maintenance tier: BMW 2 Series and BMW X1. At the lower end of BMW, maintenance costs are compact models like the BMW 2 Series and BMW X1. These vehicles are simpler in design and use smaller engines, which reduces both wear and repair complexity. The BMW 2 Series, for example, has an estimated 5-year maintenance cost of around $6,500, making it one of the most affordable BMWs to own. Similarly, the X1 benefits from a front-wheel drive platform and shared components, keeping annual maintenance costs relatively low, typically between $650 and $900 per year. These models also have fewer advanced features compared to larger BMWs, which reduces the risk of expensive electronic failures. For budget-conscious buyers who still want a BMW badge, these entry-level models offer the best balance between luxury and affordability. 3. Moderate-tier BMW 3 Series, the balanced choice. The BMW 3 Series sits in the middle of the maintenance cost spectrum. As BMW's most popular model, it offers a balance between performance, technology, and ownership costs. Annual maintenance typically ranges from $750 to $900, depending on the model year and engine type. While the 3 Series is relatively affordable compared to larger BMWs, costs can increase over time due to wear and tear items such as brakes, suspension components, and electronic systems. For example, brake replacements and suspension repairs often appear around years 4 to 5 of ownership and can cost hundreds to thousands of dollars. Despite these costs, the 3 Series remains a safe middle ground because of its strong reliability and widespread availability of parts. It is often recommended for first-time BMW buyers who want a premium driving experience without extreme maintenance expenses. 4. Upper mid-tier BMW 5 Series, more luxury, more cost. Moving up the lineup, the BMW 5 Series introduces more advanced features, a larger body, and more powerful engines, all of which increase maintenance costs. Annual expenses typically range from $850 to $1,250, depending on the trim and engine. The 5 Series includes advanced systems such as adaptive suspension, larger infotainment displays, and more complex drivetrains. While these features enhance comfort and performance, they also introduce more components that can fail over time. Maintenance tasks such as transmission servicing, suspension repairs, and electronic diagnostics can quickly add up. Additionally, higher performance variants, especially those with 6-cylinder or V8 engines, require more frequent servicing and premium parts. As a result, while the 5 Series offers a more luxurious experience, it also demands a higher financial commitment. 5. High-cost tier BMW X3 and BMW X5. SUVs, like the BMW X3 and BMW X5, are significantly more expensive to maintain than sedans due to their size, weight, and complexity. The X3 typically costs around $1,000 plus per year, while the X5 can range from $1,100 to $1,800 annually. One of the main reasons for these higher costs is the added strain on components such as brakes, tires, and suspension systems. For example, the X5's heavier body leads to faster wear on run-flat tires and braking systems. Additionally, features like all-wheel drive systems, xDrive, and air suspension increase maintenance complexity and repair costs. SUV buyers often accept these costs in exchange for space, comfort, and versatility, but it's important to understand that ownership costs will be noticeably higher than smaller BMW models. 6. Very expensive tier. BMW 7 Series. Luxury at a price. The BMW 7 Series represents the pinnacle of BMW luxury, and also one of the highest maintenance costs in the lineup. While initial 5-year maintenance estimates may appear similar to smaller models, long-term ownership costs rise significantly as the vehicle ages. This flagship sedan is packed with cutting-edge technology, including advanced suspension systems, high-end electronics, and powerful engines. While these features provide an exceptional driving experience, they also introduce numerous potential points of failure. Repairs involving electronic systems, adaptive suspension, or engine components can be extremely expensive. As a result, the 7 Series is often considered a high-risk vehicle for long-term ownership, especially when purchased used without a warranty. 7. The most expensive. M models and high-performance BMWs. At the top of the maintenance cost ranking are BMW's high-performance models, such as the BMW M5 and other M-series vehicles. These cars are designed for maximum performance, featuring powerful engines, sport-tuned suspension, and high-performance braking systems. However, this performance comes at a significant cost. High-performance engines require more frequent servicing, premium fuel, and specialized parts. Components such as brakes, tires, and suspension systems wear out faster due to aggressive driving dynamics. Additionally, repairs on performance engines and turbocharged systems can be extremely expensive. BMW M models are often described as enthusiast cars, meaning they are best suited for owners who are prepared to invest heavily in maintenance. For everyday drivers, these vehicles can quickly become some of the most expensive BMWs to own. 8. Choosing the right BMW for your budget. BMW maintenance costs vary widely depending on the model, engine, and level of complexity. Entry-level models like the BMW 2 Series and X1 offer relatively affordable ownership, while mid-range options like the 3 Series and 5 Series strike a balance between cost and luxury. SUVs like the X3 and X5 increase expenses due to size and complexity, while flagship and performance models such as the 7 Series and M5 can become extremely expensive to maintain. The key takeaway is that BMW ownership is not just about the purchase price, it's about long-term costs. Vehicles with simpler engines and fewer advanced features tend to be more affordable, while high-performance and luxury models require a larger financial commitment. By understanding these differences, buyers can make smarter decisions and avoid unexpected expenses. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.